The Dreame X50 Ultra is a powerful flagship robot vacuum with advanced suction, smart mapping, and deep cleaning performance. It delivers fully automated floor care with intelligent navigation and a self-cleaning dock system. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, mop pad, power cord, cleaning solution, dust bag, cleaning tool, and user manual. How to pair. To get started with the Dreame X50 Ultra, connect the base station and download the Dreame Home app by scanning the QR code or searching in the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account using your phone number or email, then add the robot by scanning its QR code or selecting the model manually. Connect it to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and follow the in-app setup instructions to complete pairing. Once connected, customize settings, prepare your home by removing clutter, and start fast mapping or a cleaning cycle so the robot can build an accurate map and clean automatically while returning to the dock when finished. How to use? To get started with the Dreame X50 Ultra, first plug the robot into power and switch it on using the rear power button. Remove the top cover, install the dust bag correctly, and refill the detergent tank using only the official Dreame solution to avoid damage. Next, attach the mop pads using the magnetic Velcro system and ensure the base station is properly assembled. Once everything is set, power on the robot and place it in the charging dock. Allow it to charge and confirm it is seated properly in the station. After this, the robot is ready for app setup and can begin its first mapping or cleaning cycle. Maintenance. To maintain your Dreame X50 Ultra, regularly empty and clean the dustbin and replace the filter when needed for optimal performance. Wipe down sensors, charging contacts, and external surfaces with a microfiber cloth and clear dust or hair buildup from the rear outlet and airflow channels. Also check the side brush, main brush rollers, and wheels for tangles or debris, removing and cleaning them as needed. Keep the washable and replaceable mop pads clean for the best mopping results. For the docking system, regularly open the top cover to rinse both the clean and dirty water tanks, especially by emptying the dirty tank frequently to prevent odors and buildup. Deep clean the tanks occasionally and check the internal unit for clogs or blockages in ports and inlets. Replace the filter when needed, empty the vacuum bag once full, and clean the solution tank and internal tray with a cloth or compressed air, ensuring the entire system stays free from dust and debris for smooth, long-term operation. Smart features? Delivers extremely strong suction to remove deep-seated dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Ensures thorough cleaning in one pass, maintaining high efficiency even in heavy dirt areas. Automatically lowers or lifts the LiDAR sensor to navigate smoothly under low furniture while maintaining precise mapping. Ensures accurate room scanning, efficient path planning, and improved coverage in complex home layouts. Uses built-in adaptive legs to climb over high thresholds, door sills, and uneven floor transitions with ease. Helps the robot move freely between rooms and multi-level surfaces for uninterrupted whole-home cleaning. Uses advanced cameras and sensors to detect and recognize objects like cables, shoes, and furniture in real time. Helps the robot navigate safely by avoiding collisions and cleaning efficiently around complex home environments. Automatically extends the mop and side cleaning system to reach tight corners and wall edges. Ensures deeper edge-to-edge cleaning by covering areas that traditional round robots often miss. Handles dust emptying, mop washing, hot air drying, water refilling, and detergent dispensing automatically. Reduces manual maintenance by keeping the robot clean, charged, and ready for the next cleaning cycle. Lets you control the robot remotely, schedule cleanings, and customize settings through the mobile app. Creates detailed multi-floor maps with no-go zones and room-specific cleaning for precise and efficient coverage. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.